Good morning, everyone. Thanks, guys. It's really great to be back again. I hope everyone's doing well after Halloween. It's a wonderful sunny day here in Los Angeles, and everybody's really happy because the Dodgers won the World Series. And you know what? We have some exciting news stories to share. As we head into the busy fall season, digital decorators are in full swing, especially with the upcoming election, adding to the workload, and the holiday rush is just around the corner. Today, we'll recap our top stories from World Imaging News from the month of October. Many of the stories concern new products which will be shown during the Impressions Show in January in Long Beach. Plus, we have a big announcement from World Imaging News that you don't want to miss. Our first story highlights a unique product line from Sweden by the name company Coloreel. Their innovative technology instantly produces virtually any color thread in real time, starting from a single spool of white thread. The story is especially interesting not only because of the technology, which I'll dive into later, but also because Coloreel entered bankruptcy in July, raising fears of liquidation. Now, with the announcement of new ownership, they're back in production and ready to make a comeback. Now, let's talk about Coloreel's technology, which is super interesting. As you know, traditional embroidery means constantly stopping to switch thread colors. But Coloreel has completely upended this concept with their instant thread coloring technology. The magic happens in 3 easy steps. First, the white thread gets a special pretreatment, kind of like a primer before paint. Then it passes through a precision inkjet printhead that uses CMYK inks to create any color imaginable. Virtually millions of variations. The really cool part, though, is the system can change colors instantly as the thread moves through it. You can smoothly transition from red to purple to blue or to any type of color on a single thread. You can just imagine what you can do with a digital front-end package, sending out colors. It is absolutely amazing. This whole process happens in real time when you're embroidering, with the thread being colored just milliseconds before it enters the fabric. There are incredible opportunities with this product in the decorated garments, headwear, and other fabric products. The company was at Impressions last year, but I don't know if they will be at this coming 2025 Impressions or not, based on the latest announcement that we have. We've had lots of Roland stories, and today's no different. Roland's new TY300 direct-to-film printer, a 30-inch production transfer printer, just launched in Japan with plans to expand globally soon. It's expected to be launched in the Americas at the Impression shows in January. The TY300 is engineered for precision, handling fine lines, small text, and photo quality images with ease, thanks to newly developed printheads. With a high-speed output of 115 square feet per hour in production mode and dual large printheads in a staggered layout, the TY300 officially prints white, a must for apparel. The new SPG2 ink certified by Ecotech's Eco Passport ensures safety for all wearers. By the way, we did a story earlier this week on Ecotech's and the Eco Passport certification. Over 50,000 products have been certified this year, and I expect that everyone that's in the DTG, DTF, sublimation markets will have to have Ecotech's certification soon. It has really become the standard. For anyone serious about DTF printing, the TY300 will be a major player along with other new DTF products from Epson, Mimaki, Ricoh's, and others. And you will see this at the Impressions show. The Japanese companies are coming into this market in a big way. It's good for the market because of the tech support that these companies provide on a nationwide basis. Our next story is about Stratasys, an Israeli company who is a global leader in 3D printing. They've launched 2 innovative new products for high-end fashion that allow 3D printing on fabrics. There are 2 breakthrough products, the J850 Textile 3D printer and the Textile Fabric Alignment System. With the J850 textile printer, this 3D printer offers direct-to-textile printing powered by Stratasys 3D fashion software. Designers can now print up to 7 materials at the same time. Yes, at the same time, with stunning color, transparency, and intricate textures all in a single print. Imagine producing vibrant custom fabrics that were impossible to achieve with traditional methods. The textile fabric alignment station takes precision to the next level, perfectly aligning 2D patterns with the intricate 3D designs. Together, these solutions provide designers a new level of creative freedom while promoting eco-conscious fashion. Our next story is about Rock. Rock has recently introduced a product called Rock Peel, and the reason is one of the major challenges of DTF that's becoming a major bottleneck is printing speed is increasing. And because of that, the process of removing film from the garment after heat pressing is a problem. Rock seems to have an answer with the new Rock Peel, an impressive tool designed to optimize DTF production processes. The Rock Peel automates transfer film removal from t-shirts, freeing personnel up to focus on crafting high-quality custom apparel with incredible speed. Here's what makes the Rock Peel stand out. It's fully automatic, removes film at the push of a button, and is customizable. You can adjust speed and stroke length to fit your specific needs. When paired with the Rock Impress, it delivers unmatched productivity, reaching up to 500 pieces per hour. So in an 8-hour shift, you're talking about 4,000 pieces, and that's just one unit. So I can expect some of the larger companies will have multiple units. In high volume settings, the Rock Peel is a major game changer. Watch for this unit to be featured at the Rock booth at Impressions. And our last story is really exciting for me personally. World Imaging News is pleased to announce the launch of World Imaging News Latino. This separate website is designed to provide information for Spanish and Portuguese-speaking graphics imaging professionals. We will launch at the end of November, and it will be the first pan-Latin American digital media portal in the world. You might wonder, why not rely on Google Translate for World Imaging News? Well, the reason is there are so many multinational companies that have a presence in Latin America who want information tailored specifically for their region, separate from content from North America. Now, for conversation purposes or about this, North America means Canada and the United States. As you know, Mexico is also considered North America, but because of its Spanish-speaking capabilities, it will be part of, when we're discussing it, we're talking about Mexico all the way down to Brazil. We will cover it. So Win Latino will be separate from our Win site. What can you expect from Win Latino? Daily news updates, in-depth reporting, learning resources, industry insights, event coverage, specifically for the Latin American market. And we have many new features coming in 2025 for both websites that will be unique and not currently offered. So we're excited about this as well. Our new site will be located at worldimagingnewslatino.com. Be sure to follow us for the official launch date. To stay up to date on the latest news and trends in digital imaging, please go over to worldimagingnewscom and sign up for our weekly newsletter, Win Quick News. You will receive industry insights delivered straight to your inbox. And that's the Win News, folks. I'm Dan Barefoot. And until the next time, stay healthy and keep smiling.